Here in front of me, I've got two Leopard tanks. This is one, and here is the other one. And they're both from the brand Panzerkampf, and they make military models in a 172 scale. And now they're also coming with a 164 military set. Already did a review about the Humvee that is in 164, and it is made of diecast with moving and opening parts. Looks very good. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Here it also says metal plus plastic parts, but it's actually plastic parts plus some metal parts. And the only metal parts that I could find on this model were the two screws that holding the tank on the display base. But besides that, it's a fantastic model, and I'm going to show you how cool it looks. This is not just a normal Leopard. This is the 2a6ex. It's a modified version with extra armor on top. Yeah, some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Here we got some more text. Here we got the side. You see the scale, 172 scale, and it says diecast, but meh, I don't think so. When they just started, they made some military diecast models, but later they stopped doing that. Cool thing is, like I said, they come with a 164 military set. They already released the Hummer, did a review about that one. And it looks fantastic, and that one is made out of die-cast. Okay, let's be careful. Comes in a nice display case, I like that. And almost forgot, but we also have a nice background. Okay, be careful, some plastic for protection. And then here we got the Leopard ready out of the box, very well painted. German army logo on the side. And we already see, now I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is a modified Leopard base right here. Oh, it got a German license plate. Yeah, license plate, very important. We got the lights, we got the side mirrors. Cannon with what I think it's the, let's do it like this. Yeah, I think this is the, not a tank expert. I think here is the laser to lock the target, but it can also be here or somewhere here. I'm not 100% sure. Smoke grenades here on the side. We got a 6.62 machine gun on top. Here, and I'll show you later next to the other Leopard, here we got some extra armor on top. So you don't see this at a normal Leopard. Then we go back to antennas. We got the air intake for the engine, some shovels, also painted. Metal cables, but these are plastic. Painted rear lights, some details here, some mud flaps. And yes, we can turn the turret 360 degrees. And we can also move the cannon. And as you can see, these hatches can open and close. I like that. Machine gun for 172 scale. It looks pretty detailed. Okay, let's take this of the base. So here we see the metal parts. Here we go. And here we have the base, plastic base, nothing special. Tracks cannot move. But the cool thing is, the tracks, you can also see the tracks right here on top. Some models, the tracks will stop right there. That's not realistic. Here we can have a better look at the license plate. Some of these models come with figures. So I also have the Leopard with the figures. These are the figures. I put them in this box. They're actually coming with another Leopard tank from Panzerkampf. I think I've got all of them. We can put them here inside. That's one. And then we have a dude right here. We can put it right here. And then we have this one. Not sure if it fits. No, not that good. Maybe I can change the position from the 172 machine gun. Whoop, whoop, whoop. No, unfortunately not. Oh. Okay, but I can place a figure right here. And this one here on top. Sorry. No, that's not good. Let's do it like this. Okay, anyways. Let's put this one right here with some figures. Okay. Next model. Basically the same Leopard, but without the modifications. Also same package, but here there is something different. Yeah, they're still using metal plus plastic parts. What metal parts? Warning, yeah, blah blah blah. Limited edition, of course. And here some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. So this is a 2a6 Leopard. Let's get it out of the package. Same background as the other one. This is much better. Because with this one, they don't use screws. I like that. Much, much better. Okay, so here we have the Leopard. These white marks are... it means that it is a Ukraine Leopard tank. So I think we all know that Leopard tanks are used in the Ukraine war or Russian war military operation. I'm not going to talk much about that. I'm against war. Make love, not war. I hate war. And these machines remind me that we live in a world that is pretty sick Because if we would live in a normal world, we didn't need these kind of war machines. Millions and millions of dollars are spent on war equipment, and it's so stupid. Okay, I was talking about the modification, and here you can see that this tank has a different style. So this one right here on the right has some more armor, thicker armor, and also on the top. So it's basically the same, like I was saying, same machine gun. See, you got some extra armor on top. I hope you can see it right here, extra armor. But for the rest, it is pretty much the same. Oh, here it's also difference. Some difference here. Do I have figures for the Ukraine tank? Yes, I do. Got them right here. Some infantry. Not only have Ukraine soldiers, I think I have soldiers from almost every country. So I also have Russian soldiers. That's my son you hear in the back. Some Ukraine infantry. Put them right here. And then I have this one right here. Pretty well painted, I have to say. I bought these on AliExpress. You can also find Russian soldiers on AliExpress. Yeah, and they come in this kind of boxes. Do it like this. And then I have also this one. Oh, look, even the bullets are painted. How cool is that? Very well done. Yeah, let's put this one right here. It's a little bit too difficult. Is it possible to open the hatch? Yes, it is. But it's not that easy, I can tell you. Let's see what I can do with this right here. I think you have to put it up in the back. Okay. So I believe, if I can remember, yeah, I remember it wasn't that easy. And it is plastic, so you have to be very careful. But there's a pin in here and you have to lift it up and then you can turn this hatch. No, it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Yeah, I can spend hours on doing this, but I think you understand. How about this one? Will this one open? Yeah, this one will open. This one opens different. You see, for this one you have to lift it up. You can do it like this. Looks pretty cool, right? Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to push the like button and let me know what you think about this Leopard tank. It's one of my favorite tanks in the world. Very strong, very powerful. Is that a Dongfang 41 in the back? Yes, it is. We'll do a review about it later. Again, thanks for watching and have a very nice day. See you soon. Bye.